I just want to talk about, like, there are really only 5 ways to find customers. I will tell you the 5 ways. If there are more ways, let me know. Let me know if you know there are more ways to find customers.
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tompeng. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
All right, hello everybody. My name is Tom. Welcome to MediaStat. That's me. And thank you, Ms. Swan, for a really good presentation. Hopefully you got some really good ideas on how to find more customers. Because that's why we're here, right? We're here because we want to grow our businesses. So people here, you all have a business, I hope.
Và tôi hy vọng là tất cả mọi người ở đây giơ tay lên nếu như mọi người đang kinh doanh một doanh nghiệp ạ.
Good, because otherwise you're in the wrong audience, wrong group here, wrong workshop. So I just want to talk about, like, there are really only 5 ways to find customers. I will tell you the 5 ways. If there are more ways, let me know. Let me know if you know there are more ways to find customers. All right, so I wrote this down. So the first way is cold calls, cold email, and cold messaging. But maybe go to Masotui, find a business directory, cold call the customer. We do that a lot here.
Và chúng tôi cũng làm như vậy rất nhiều ở đây.
But that's one way to find customers. But to do that, you need a really good CRM system so that you remember your customers. You need a system that integrates with telephony. For example, in our company, you can see our salespeople, they put on their headphone and they call. And all the phone calls are recorded. Salespeople can make notes. They can categorize the customer. Okay, this one's very potential, this one's not potential. By doing so, we can identify the customers that will buy our products or services and eventually sell to them. And this is what GoSale is really good at, because we have a CRM that integrates with call center so that you can close more customers. The number 2 way to find customers is paid ads. If you run a business, you've probably done this already, right? So you're paying to Facebook, you're paying to Google to run ads on those platforms, right? You can buy ad space in many websites, right, through Google, and you can also buy ads in the search engine, the Google search results. I have a question for you, right? If we run paid ads, do we want a lot of leads coming from those ads? What do you think is the answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, most people think yes, right? I say the opposite. I said no. Because it's actually very easy to get leads and traffic. But are they the right traffic? When you run Facebook and Google ads, when your customers see your ad, you pay per view or you pay per click. Every time they click on the Google search result, you're paying Google. So we have to make sure it's the right people clicking on it. Does that make sense? Yeah? Yeah, I don't know. So what we're saying is that we want quality and not quantity here. And this is also something that GoSale can help you with. Because when you run these ads, you also want to retarget your customers. You want to identify which ones are the most potential and retarget them. The 3rd way to find customer is search engine. So when your customers are looking for a product or services, they don't know where to find that product or service, what do? Google, that's right. They go to Google and they type in the keyword, are you there? Imagine if you're on page 1, how much traffic that will direct to your website or even direct to your store, your physical business. Right? This is also something that GoSale can help you with. We have a feature that actually put your product into Google Shopping. So when you go to Google and you search, at the top there's like a bar with all the products and pricing, usually from Lazada or Shopee. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. The reason why you see Lazada, Shopee is because they're good at it. But with GoSale, you can do the same. You can be there. And how much traffic is that going to drive to your business? Now, number 4 way to find customers is affiliate and partnership. I really like this one because this is about getting other people to sell your product. find other businesses, find other business associations related to your business, and they sell for you, right? So this is how you can create a lot of salespeople that you don't have to pay. And actually, this is a very strong use case for GoSell. Our key customers in our business are customers that have thousands of affiliate sales, and then they use GoSell to create a mobile app. Each affiliate sales take the phone, the app, and go see customer and put the order in the app. All those orders go to the head office, go to the warehouse, they pack and ship. Okay, so I want to show you one case study for this particular use case.
Xin chào các bạn, tôi là Đỗ Thanh Hương, CEO and Co-founder White Collar Việt Nam. White Collar Việt Nam là một công ty độc quyền thương hiệu Vili International tại Việt Nam. Dòng sản phẩm Vili là một dòng sản phẩm chất lượng, thân thiện với môi trường và đem lại cho con người một cái giải pháp để sức khỏe toàn diện cho cơ thể. Vì là nhà sản xuất và phân phối nên Vili đã chọn hình thức sử dụng cộng tác viên để đưa sản phẩm của mình đến tay người tiêu dùng. Với việc phát triển cộng tác viên rộng khắp thị trường Việt Nam rất là nhanh, chúng tôi đã gặp quá nhiều khó khăn trong quá trình quản lý số lượng các thành viên, cộng tác viên, số lượng đơn hàng mỗi một lần cộng tác viên order quá nhiều. Chính lúc đó Vili Việt Nam nhận ra rằng chúng tôi phải thay đổi phương thức quản lý vận hành kinh doanh. Trong lúc đó thì chúng tôi cũng đã tìm rất nhiều các cái doanh nghiệp khác nhau để cung cấp các cái giải pháp hỗ trợ và chúng tôi tìm đến GoSell. GoSell đã giúp chúng tôi giải quyết vấn đề kiểm soát doanh thu, số lượng bán hàng và chiết khấu của từng người cộng tác viên. Hơn nữa, với tính năng quản lý cộng tác viên, chúng tôi có thể cài đặt phần trăm chiết khấu theo cấp bậc của từng cộng tác viên khác nhau hoặc loại chiết khấu vô cùng linh hoạt nhằm tiết kiệm thời gian và công sức. Hơn nữa, ngay khi cộng tác viên tiến hành lên đơn hàng, chúng tôi sẽ nhận được thông báo và nhận biết đơn hàng ngay lập tức để chuẩn bị và giao hàng cho khách hàng. Vili có thể kiểm soát toàn bộ mọi thông tin chi tiết của từng cộng tác viên về lịch sử đơn hàng, khách hàng, mức chiết khấu, hoa hồng và lịch sử thanh toán cũng được quản lý một cách chính xác và đầy đủ. Với sự hỗ trợ rất nhiệt tình của GoSell, Vili đã phát triển cộng tác viên rộng khắp thị trường Việt Nam, giúp dễ dàng kiểm soát tất cả cộng tác viên của mình, dẫn đầu trong sự nghiệp chăm sóc sức khỏe của toàn dân. Tôi tin tưởng rằng Vili và GoSell là một sự hợp tác lâu dài trên cơ sở đạt được những giá trị bền vững và kiến tạo những giá trị tuyệt vời nhất. Xin chân thành cảm ơn GoSell.
We love this customer. Not only because they pay us a lot of money, but
không phải chỉ vì là họ trả cho chúng tôi rất nhiều
not
tiền.
only because, right, but because they actually fully leverage the GoSell platform. They know how to use our platform to expand the affiliate sales network. And today, their affiliate can find other affiliate to join their network, and affiliate can make commission on affiliate. And they support and they track all the orders and the affiliate sales through GoSell. Yeah, it's very powerful if you know how to leverage it for your business. So I covered 4 ways to find customers. The last one is, number 5 is referrals. Okay, this one needs more than just software. You have to provide good product, good service, good customer service. When customers love you, they will naturally give you more customers and they will spread the word for you. But having a CRM also really helps. Having a CRM means that you know who your customers are, you know who buys what from you, how much, how often. So all that information will enable you to provide better customer service, right? Imagine the customer walking into your store. You have a lot of customers you don't know, you can't remember every one of them, right? Maybe you get their phone number, immediately identify who they are. And by looking at order history, you know what the customer likes. Right? Oh, Miss Nee, are you looking for a blue blouse or whatever? Right? And then they'll be surprised because you remember them. That's just one of many ways how we can improve the customer experience. Okay? Do you like that? No? Don't like it? Don't like it. Okay. All right. All right. So, are there any other ways to find customers that you can think of? I think I covered it pretty much. Only really 5 ways. And GoSell can support you every case. Okay, so I want to give you 3 more ideas before I go. Because the economy is hard. Times are hard. I live in District 2. Every time I drive to work, I see all the billboards. Have you noticed Most of them have nothing on it. If you don't believe me, go to the balcony. We have a nice balcony looking at the airport. Look at all the billboards out there. Nothing on it. Economy is difficult. So that means we have to be more creative. We have to be more creative to find customers, retain customers. More important than ever to keep customers. So let me give you the first idea. The first idea is figure out what should you sell, right? Maybe in your business there's a lot of SKUs. What sells the best? Maybe that's what you should focus on. Eliminate the SKUs that are not really performing. If you have access to big data, maybe you're talking to Lazada, or maybe you're talking to Shopee, or maybe you're working with us and you're looking at data from Alibaba, and then you can identify the trends in the market. What are customers buying? And then sell that, right? You don't have to sell what you sell today. So here's an example. Actually, I'll use this one. This is actually a customer of ours. They make furniture. There's a lot of furniture manufacturers in Vietnam. But during COVID, what happened? Pretty difficult to sell furniture, right? So what happened was they look at the Alibaba data and they identify that international buyers are not buying furniture, but they're buying hospital beds. So they pivot. Now they can sell more. Makes sense? Okay, second idea, right? So the first idea is about identifying what sells the best. What are customers wanting to buy? Identify that and then provide that. Okay, and the second idea is about customer retention. Because times are hard, every customer, we need to keep them. But how do we know which customers stop buying? How can we know? Need a system. Need a system to track all of your customers. So with GoSell, what you can do is you can identify which customers buy a lot from you, buy frequently from you, or even buy recently from you. Right? So if the customer buy a lot and frequently and also recently, that's a great customer. So that's a customer that you want to treasure, you want to take care of, so they don't leave you. But what if you can find a customer, and you can in GoSell, what if you can find customers that buy a lot, buy frequently, but they stopped 6 months ago, right? What can you do? No idea.
Không có ý tưởng nào sao?
What can you do? As business owner, what would you want to do? Let them go.
Để họ đi luôn.
Yeah, bye bye.
Tạm biệt.
What? What?
Send them a message, make a phone call.
Yeah, I like you. You have all the right answers. That's right. Call them. That's the best way. Call them. Hey, customer, what happened? Or you can send an email, you can send them a message, or you can send them a discount code or voucher. Give them a little bit of a discount to entice them to come back. Right? And all those strategies is supported in GoSell. You can email, you can through the call center call the customer, you can message them. All those cases are supported. You can create customer groups like that, and then for each group you have a different strategy. That's how you use GoSell. And that's the second idea. If you do that, your customers will be loyal. They will stay with you. This is why in GoSell, if the customer walks into your store, your staff must collect their phone, email, and name, put in the system, and track their orders. And if the customer buy online, of course you know who they are, whether they buy from the website or the mobile app. Miss Swan told you about our connectivity with Lazada, Shopee, TikTok Shop. Right? The customers that buy on those platforms are now in the system. Anybody talk to you on Yellow or Facebook, they're in the system. In fact, when customers are chatting with you in Yellow and they want to buy something from you, you can place an order right there. If you haven't seen that, ask one of us to demo that to you. So the whole idea is that no matter where the customer come into contact with you, they're in your system now. And every customer is valuable. We always want them to come back and buy more. Okay, my third and final tip to suggestion to help you sell more is to look at who you buy from and who you sell to. Okay, historically, traditionally, what happens is that the manufacturer make the products, sell to the distributor sell to the wholesaler sell to the retailer sell to the consumer. At every level, somebody needs to make money. Every level they need to make money. So when you look at your profit margin, why is it so low? That's the reason, because everybody needs their little piece of the pie. So if you want to increase your profit margin, what you can do is short circuit the supply chain, right? If you're a retailer, you don't have to be a retailer. Maybe looking at becoming a distributor and sell to other retailers. So you cut out other distributors. So when we look at things like TikTok or even Lazada or Shopee, those are platforms to cut out the middleman. For example, the factory can make the products and do TikTok and sell directly to the consumer, and thereby increase their profit margin. So look at your business and where it is in the supply chain and figure out how you can reduce the number of players in that supply chain. And I want to share with you another case study. And this is a customer I'm also very proud of, because they are actually a very traditional grocery store in the Tompeng province, right? So when we drive to the countryside, we see lots of traditional grocery stores, usually with like packet shampoos hanging, outside of the grocery store. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Yes. So they're like that, but they have great ambition. They thought that they want to sell to other stores like them. And they start talking to manufacturers and other distributors, and they want to distribute. They want to become a distributor, but they need software, they need system to support that. They also use affiliate sales to sell into other stores. Right? This is their story.
Nhà phân phối Tính Cường chuyên cung cấp các loại mỹ phẩm, phụ liệu tóc, nail, ghế, dụng cụ ngành tóc tại Tiền Giang và các tỉnh trong khu vực đồng bằng sông Cửu Long.
Cái cách kinh doanh truyền thống của mình á, thì mỗi một nhân viên sale phải cầm cả một sắp catalog rất là lớn để đi đến giới thiệu cho khách hàng từng sản phẩm một. Cái cách buôn bán của mình ngày xưa á, thì nó dần muốn lạc hậu vậy đó. Sau đó anh cũng có một người anh á, cũng đã từng cộng tác với Go Sale, cho nên có giới thiệu với anh đến công ty Go Sale. Sau khi tìm hiểu qua hệ thống app thì anh thấy là nó rất là tiện dụng. Thì khi mình cài đặt app tài khoản cho khách hàng xong, thời gian rảnh rỗi họ có thể lên app để tìm hiểu những sản phẩm trên app của mình có, họ sẽ dễ dàng tiếp cận sản phẩm của mình hơn. Khi tụi anh tích hợp được những cái thông tin của khách hàng thì tụi anh phân tích, chia nhóm khách hàng và đánh giá nhóm khách hàng đó. Anh có thể chia được khách hàng đó ra thành 10 mấy nhóm sĩ khác nhau. Một nhóm sĩ thì sẽ có mỗi một cái giá định giá bán cho họ một khác nhau, và mới biết được những nhu cầu của khách hàng đó, tìm hiểu được rất là nhiều những dòng sản phẩm khác mà tụi anh cần phải cung cấp. Trước đây á, là anh chỉ có khoảng tầm 100 cho tới 200 SKU hàng, và từ khi sử dụng app Go Sale á, thì tất cả các tỷ lệ SKU hàng của anh tăng dần lên, từ 200 cho lên tới 500 rồi tới 1000. Và cho tới thời điểm này á, thì tổng cộng trên hệ thống cung cấp của tụi anh là có trên 2500 SKU hàng. Từ khi sử dụng qua phần mềm của Go Sale á, thì doanh thu của tụi anh nó tăng giọt, mỗi một tháng trung bình tăng lên khoảng từ 10 tới 15%. Có những tháng có thể tăng giọt lên tới 30 cho tới 40%. Cái định hướng của anh khi đồng hành với Go Sale á, là tụi anh muốn là trong một khoảng thời gian chậm nhất á, là 3 năm, mà nhanh là từ 1 cho tới 2 năm. Tụi anh có thể là trở thành một nhà bán lẻ và bán sỉ nhất nhì của khu vực miền Tây. Cũng hy vọng là Go Sale sẽ là chỗ dựa niềm tin để cho doanh nghiệp tụi anh phát triển bền vững.
Okay, very good. So Tompeng is actually the largest distributor now in Tompeng province, and they're aiming to grow across Mingtay, right? So I'm really proud of them. And the first case study we lived to, I cannot tell you their revenue numbers, but both combined, they're in the millions of dollars. Discover what Go Sale can do for your business. This is what Go Sale is, right? So if you're looking for a platform to build a website, to make it look pretty, and and you care about the color, it has to be blue, then we're not the right product for you. There's thousands of web developers out there that can build your website. We're not in that business. But if you want to grow your business through CRM, affiliate sales, through distribution and reseller management, you want to take your CRM to the next level. You want to take your inventory management to the next level. You want to manage your sales and take that to the next level with the ultimate goal of selling more to your customers and keeping more of your customers. Then Go Sale is the only solution. Thank you very much.